Know just who to call when you need to talk about Pokemon, superheroes, and other cool stuff. It's talk time with Braelon.
Oh hey guys, I didn't see you there. Today I'm going to be teaching you about monkey translation.
Translator. First, monkey translation. I think he's asking, what is your favorite thing to do when you're in the house on a rainy day? He's saying to play with cars and dinosaurs and read books. He's saying inside he wants to have fun and do what he needs to do.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye.